Today we will discuss the construction and working principle of Pitot tube. First of all, Pitot tube is a device which measures the velocity of liquid flowing through a pipe or channel. So first of all, draw the Pitot tube. This is a vertical tube. This is a vertical tube bent at right angle at the lowest portion. And this is free surface of liquid. When you immersed this tube into water, and here the pressure head, this is capital H. And the liquid here up to the water surface. And when liquid at one section, here the velocity V, so here kinetic energy half mv square, and at the entrance section of the Pitot tube, if you draw 2 section, and here the velocity will be 0, and this point is called stagnation point. This point is called a stagnation point because here velocity is 0. So kinetic energy will be 0. But according to law of conservation of energy, energy remains constant. So at this point, this kinetic energy will be converted into pressure energy. And so the liquid rises up in the pipe up to small h portion here. And this is the construction of Pitot tube. Now the working principle, applying Bernoulli's equation at 1 and 2 section. Total head at 1 section, if you consider this is datum line, this center line is datum line. Total head at 1 section, this is potential head Z1, pressure head P1 by omega, kinetic head V1 square by 2g. This is total head. And at 2 section, the total head, that is Z2 P2 by omega V2 square by 2g. Now putting the value, here Z1 is 0 because this datum line is horizontal. Here pressure head P1 by omega, this is capital H. And here kinetic head, here the velocity V, so here kinetic head V square by 2g. Now at 2 section, here potential head Z2 is also 0 because this is at also datum line, plus pressure head, here capital H plus small h. Look at the figure. And here velocity head is 0 because this is at stagnation point. So here look, capital H, this will be cancelled, and here V square by 2g, this is equal to small h. So here V square equal to 2gh. So V equal to root 2gh, and this is the theoretical value of velocity. So actual velocity, and this is will be the coefficient of velocity into theoretical velocity. So this is root 2gh. And this is the value of actual velocity which is measured by the Pitot tube. So thank you.